बुध इंडिया डिजिटल में आप सबका स्वागत है। हम लोग अभी भुवनेश्वर में है, जनता मैदान में, और मेक इन इंडिया कॉन्क्लेव चल रहा है। उत्कर्ष उड़ीसा का कॉन्क्लेव चल रहा है और इधर हम लोग आए हैं। स्टॉल्स लगा है अलग अलग स्किल डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर, स्टार्टअप के ऊपर, what government of India is doing on this and what different organizations. Here we have a lady who has an organization, Sarna Educational and Cultural Services, who are making designs and they are making the products from them and products which is having GI tags. So let us know, madam, what is your name?
So my name is Rosalind Dash and I'm the co-founder of Sarna Educational and Cultural Services.
Okay.
We are a heritage tourism company and we promote one district, one project. So the idea of starting Odisha Potli was to have an engagement beyond the tourism season in Odisha. And what you see here are actually more of a utilitarian product. So when we talk about handloom and handicraft, I have seen women saying कि सारा साड़ी ही बनता है, लड़कों के लिए कुछ नहीं होता है. Happy you are wearing a knicker jacket. So what we are trying to do here is to bring in utilitarian value to art product. So what you see is a Tarakashi. This is Kathak Tarakashi, the GI tag. Here is the Dokra. So instead of just having a tribal figure, we have tried to make it a cue holder. I can show you some of the contemporary khandwas and ikats of Odisha.
Okay. These are the khandwas.
Yes.
And these khandwas are designed by your
Yes. We give designs. We try to give it a modern touch so that women of the. I often hear people saying that the handloom sarees are only for elderly people, but no.
What is this?
This is a Lakho Konde. We call it Lakshmi and Narayana. So this is made out of lacquer. It's a lacquer craft from Navranpur. So the base material is actually terracotta on which lacquer craft is done. And it is a very peculiar product only confined to Navranpur. Of course, we have it in Balesar, but this is from Navranpur.
Madam, tell me one thing. Can you elaborate what are the different GI tag products?
Oh yes. So everybody knows GI tag product from Odisha is typically they say Kotpad, Avaspuri, Sambalpuri, but no, we have so many things. Now let me show you. Khandua.
You can keep it and show it.
Okay, Dokra, Tarakashi. This is the Potochitra Pothichitra. This is called as Pothichitra.
Okay. This is a box.
This is the box which is palm leaf engraved.
Okay. This is palm leaf engraved, but this design is again made by you and done by the artisans who are having GI.
Yes.
Okay, just tell me. You are making all the products and the artisans you are also engaging. But how these products are marketed by you, whom and where it is available?
So my organization has its own website which goes by the name Odisha Potli. The website is www.odisapotli.in. So we do sell in domestic markets as well as international. Our idea is actually fair trade. So whatever profit we earn, we give it back to the artisans. The profit margin.
You don't give.
We share the profit margin.
Okay. And how whether you have any relation with government of Odisha? How you are because this Make in Odisha conclave is going on and you are part of it. So are you getting any help or facilitation from government of Odisha?
So we are a member of MSME and we are also a member of World Trade Center. I think being a part of entities like this itself is a gateway to enter to the world. So if we are talking about financial help, no, we have not really received. We have not really applied for any financial help. We are a private limited entity and I think that should be self-sufficient. And the idea is we grow and we make the artisans grow.
Madam, Prime Minister has told that local for vocal.
Absolutely. We
So
totally agree
you are
with that.
promoting that.
Yes.
You know-
Local for vocal and make it global.
Okay. And Make in Odisha also.
And Make in Odisha.
And today, Prime Minister has told that Odisha has got enormous potential.
So we are a land of Utkrishta Kala. We are the land of finest art forms. So we have enough opportunities.
And Odisha is the best place where you can get handicraft, wooden craft, sarees, and this silver works. So how really the artisans in reality, the artists are not getting any money. They are in a really helpless situation. they are not. They are just waiting for the artisans which help they will get from the
So my
government.
co-founder is here, Jitu sir. We both do stories of Odisha.
Sir, can you just tell me?
But
Despite we are having best of the best artisans in the world of Orissa in all the fields, but the artisans are not getting proper money, guidance, or skill development training. Do you feel this Make in India conclave will help in any way? It will be helpful for the artists and artisans and MSME sector.
Yeah, this will help definitely, but I think there is a serious crisis in Odisha when it comes to branding.
Okay.
So artisans have to, they have to go with time.
Okay.
So only if they are making products, like to compare with the artisans from Gujarat or Rajasthan. So they are far ahead of us, mainly because they are able to brand themselves. So that is something missing here. And another thing is that professionalism. So supposing you are giving a task to an artisan to make something, so they have to deliver it by time, on time.
Why do you think they are not able to deliver it in
No,
time?
there are so many problems they are creating. There are some genuine problems, we believe in that, but they have to somehow work towards it, that how they become more professional.
I think
So that is-
taking to
But,
time
but,
the
but
market.
madam, you told that you are marketing and giving design to GI products. Nothing best can be done than that. So despite having a GI tag, why you are not able to, at least you can organize, you can give skill development trainings, and through MSME, you can train the artisans, more artisans to
Actually,
get better.
there is ample scope. When we are saying that we still have many prosperous and illustrated artisans. Why not accept that, isn't it?
That is
so
there.
it is actually, branding is an individual activity. How I place myself in the market, that is very important. Yes, I do agree with you that some of them are not getting scope, but why don't we see the success stories of those who are already celebrated? How are they able to place themselves in the market? Isn't it? So there has to be an individual effort. Government is doing enough. Actually, government is doing enough schemes.
What is your expectation from this government? Because today the Chief Minister himself told and Prime Minister also told that we will give all the facilities.
Sir, I have come from
Modi
an era.
guarantee, you will give all
Yes,
the guarantees.
yes,
So
yes.
how you are going to get advantage of that
I will say
assurance?
the kind of facilitations we are getting right now, it speaks that our government is proactive. And yes, we all are going to get benefited of it.
How many artists are linked with your organization?
So we have more than 100 artisans that we work with in different clusters. And it has become our prime vision and mission that they grow and we grow. See, unless every individual grows, we have to address the roti kapda makan. Roti kapda makan jab tak hasil nahi hota hai, you cannot think of innovations. So our motto is actually to make their needs fulfilled. Then only they can think of designs, innovations and exports. So in the last 3.5 years, we have been blessed to be working with some of artisans, and we shared such a nice rapport with them that they shared their sorrows and happiness with us. So that's the kind of relationship we've had.
He said that you are having a problem with branding.
So brand,
We are not any problem with branding.
no, we are not having a problem.
We have the artisans themselves have to brand
They have to
themselves.
brand themselves.
How can they brand self? Artisans can, somebody will brand their product.
That's true, but now every artisan has an access to social media. People are actually, the
come up with
weavers
their
are
own
selling
brand.
on social media. The weavers are selling on Instagram. So everybody has to, make themselves acquainted with the current time. That is very important.
Do
समय के साथ चलना है.
you meant to say that they themselves should also
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
market themselves?
Yes.
So I must congratulate you and sir that at least you people are promoting the artisans and started promoting since last 3.5 years, and we hope with the support of the government, the people, the artisans will try to get a better brand name for their products, and eventually they will get skill development training, and also these products of Odisha and artisans product will be famous globally. That's all for today. Stay tuned with Uday India.